How to fix Vanguard error Van 1067 on League of Legends. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to reinstall Vanguard directly from your computer. To properly reinstall it, go into your search box, type in uninstall, then open up your add or remove programs. Now, this is where you can locate the main file of your Vanguard software. You simply locate it here, click that, and click on uninstall. Now to reinstall it again, open up your League of Legends game and hit on update and it will automatically be installed on your game. Next thing to do is to go back into your search box and type in services. Click on the gear icon and in here, what you need to look for is VGC. Just hit anywhere in this box and hit V on your keyboard. Right click it, go to properties, and then under startup type, make it into automatic. Hit on apply and then OK. Restart your PC afterwards and try to relaunch League of Legends again. That is how you fix Vanguard error Van 1067 on League of Legends.